Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 2017 Pete 389 factory built glider kit day cab. It's built with 6NZ, C15, 550 cat, 13 speed. It's got 46 rears and full lockers, 537,000 miles. Got it hot. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you everything underneath the hood, blow by, finish up on the inside, along with the oil pressure and dash. Let's go ahead and get started. We just got this one in yesterday. Engine compartment's clean, blow by looks good. Southern truck, there's no rust. Steer tires are excellent. Beautiful color, everything's been polished out on it. The only body or paint damage I see on here are on the corners of each fender. They're not cracked, but we just need have to bend that out and repaint that. Perfect. Grill surround is great. Same thing on this one. Back of the cab looks great. Like I said, there's no rust. This is a Southern truck. Air track, 46,000 rears. Air slide fifth wheel. Platinum interior. Interior is nice and clean. Floor is in good shape. Dash is nice. Extra gauges. Some miles and hours. You see the temp is up. Great low side oil pressure, super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumped up there just like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck that we've got, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.